Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you fix. Please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction. If you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting our time. So first of all guys, what you need to do, you have to just open setting and make sure that you are properly connected with the internet. Now scroll it down, tap on general, type here software update. Make sure you have updated your device to the latest iOS version. Now after that guys, what you need to do, you have to just simply force restart your device and check if your problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then what you need to do, you have to just scroll down, tap on transfer or reset icon, tap here reset and reset all setting. And after this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. If it is not fixed, then what you need to do, you have to just open any browser, type here Apple Sport, open this, tap here iPhone and scroll down and here get sport, tap on start now and from here tap on more and scroll down and tap here iTunes Store and from here tap on continue and from here scroll down. So what you need to do, just simply have to scroll down. You can easily see here call option. Maybe you can also see the chat section. Here the chat section is not available for me. If chat section is available, you can also chat with them. You can also call to them and tell them your problem. Hopefully they will fix your problem as soon. So guys, that's it for today. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.